it does feel good when people pre-enroll and upgrade in your business, on your team. All right. There's nothing wrong with just going, dang it. Oh, that feels good. All right. You should celebrate little successes or big ass successes. Okay. But no doubt after about 2 years of doing this online business, every time someone writes me or emails me, all right, it feels like a success to me because someone is serious about joining Save Club as an affiliate. Okay. I think if you join as a member, you'll figure it out. Pay your $20, just search around and see if there's something you can save on with tires or going to Walmart or maybe going food, travel. There's a million things you can spend money on, right? Okay. And there's been a lot of clubs that will save you money if you join them. Okay. You join memberships. So let's say Amazon Prime. It's nice to get free shipping and a lot of other cool things. Costco here in America, speaking for my American buns, Costco's awesome. You pay anywhere from 60, I think, to $120 a year, and you can go in there and obviously save on food, camping gear, maybe a shirt, maybe some chain to put around your neck, and then they even have these badass hot dogs you can buy on the way out. They're good too, and they're fattening. Oh my, you can save money and get fat. Thank you, Costco. Okay. Now with Save Club, I kind of compare it like here in America, it's called Groupon. Okay. Back in the day, all right, not dating my buns, but 70 in the 80s, they were called happenings books. Okay. Just a big old massive book, kind of long rectangle shaped. And you just go through and see if there's some deals. Okay. The book would be about $25 and you get young kids or people that wanted extra money just to call and see if you wanted to buy these things or knocking on doors. All right. Old school as hell. Okay. But happenings books were great if you happen to find something that you would save money on. Okay. But half the time you go out of your way trying to buy something that's in the happenings books to justify the 25. You're like, oh, good. There's, meatloaf flavored, burgers. Okay, well, let's just go and try out the meatloaf flavored burgers with peanut butter on them. Just anything to justify that 25. With today's technology, obviously, you can sit all day long on your cell phone or on a home computer and just search. You can search all the way. See if you can find a doctor to help your tongue get out of the way when you say search. Search. Come on. Would you like to search? Come on, why don't we go check it out with me? Come on now. Maybe I can buy me some dentures. All right. Okay. This is what I recommend you do if you're watching me. Okay. Go to the ilovesaveclub.com. Just go there. Click it. All right. Then you're going to go to a page. Let me show you real quick, and then we're going to go search and see if we can find some deals. Okay. Check this out. Now, I'm an affiliate. I want you to join me. I want you to join my team right now. Okay, especially during pre-launch. We have 17 more days to be ahead of the curve. All right, we're way ahead of the pack. So if you join now, you got about a 17-day lead start. Okay, before all of planet Earth starts to now I can't talk. I got to search in planet Earth. I think I'm going to remove my tongue next video. Holy crapola. It is early in the morning. I need about 7 cups of coffee and I can really start talking appropriately. All right. But go to this page and watch this YouTube video. Okay. You see that little red play arrow? Just hit it and you're going to see our founder. His name is Charles Moy. And half my videos, I call him Michael Moy. And I have no idea why, but I watch my videos back. I don't even say Save Club half the time. I say Save Good with Michael Moy. Okay. I'll try to correct myself. Save Club with Charles. All right. Charles Moy. I like just referencing this video. Okay. I just like using this video right below that I'm pointing at as a tool. Okay. What's the tool? It's just I want to be able to just sit back and just have you guys watch the video. Okay, while I'm making maybe another video or I'm making coffee or I don't know, maybe I'm making whoopee to little Lulu. Okay, my sweet little Lulu. You guys can just sit back and watch the video. okay, you can have other people watch the video. So after you join, all right, I recommend do what I do. Copy what I do. It seems to work. All right, get yourself a business card if you'd like. Go to Vistaprint, $22, big old box. I don't leave my place. I just design these online. All right, I bought ilovesaveclub.com, and then I forward this domain for free to this page. Okay, I put my name right there, Cory Draper's website. You can put whatever name you'd like. But this video, it's so nice because I know 9 out of 10 people that sign up with me, you're not going to do video like I'm doing. And if you do, great. Okay, I think you'll have a lot of fun eventually. It'll break you out of your shell if you're kind of embarrassed to do these darn things, okay? But it's nice. You hit this button, okay? Let Charles do all the work. Let him tell about the opportunity, what he's doing, how the pay plan works, and everything else, okay? And then if you want to join, just fill out your information here, hit that orange button. You're going to get a Save Club email. Just open it up and join. All right, get your username, your password, write it down, memorize it, of course. Link up either your bank. We even have all forms of cryptocurrency. Guys, this is a really secure website and company. Because when you do worldwide biz, you can't just have like a bank, okay? There's all sorts of payments worldwide. But right now, believe it or not, in 2025, cryptocurrency is the easiest. Okay, 24 hours a day. China to Malaysia, right down to Brazil, right down below me, Mexico, up to Canada, anywhere. You have online, service like this, open up a nice little cryptocurrency, oh God, what is there? BitPay, iPayout. We do all this stuff. We have an e-wallet situation you guys can hook up with. But don't worry if you live in a little city in the middle of nowhere. You can do this business. This is about inviting people to save money on things you're already buying. Okay, that's all you're going to do. That's all I do all day long. I am in Utah. Okay, I live here in America. So to all my friends that live outside of America, I'm just, kind of above, let's say, Las Vegas. I'm just a little bit over from California. But I have people all over the world email me every day, see what's going on. Ask me what's the scoop, man, what's happening. And I ask them what time it is. It's fun when you talk to someone and it's like 15 hours ahead. Like my friends in, I think it's Japan or Malaysia. It's crazy, to meet people worldwide, but it's a lot of fun too. I have a blast. But, my business cards, I just hand them out on a street level. I don't really recruit on a street level, but people will see me on Facebook or maybe a video like this. And, hey, Cory, what's that save thing? What is it? Save what? I just hand them this card. They go to ilovesaveclub.com when they're at home, sitting behind their steering wheel in their car. I let people just watch the video and decide in or out. That way it's not that I'm wasting time if I talk, but at the end of the day, it really is. All right. Most people like to just watch videos on their cell phone screen. I'm the same way. Just raise your hand. Okay. I would rather just be left alone, watch a video. And if I don't want to do it, it's not embarrassing. Okay, no one has to email me back and say, hey, Cory, this isn't for me. If you do, that's great. If not, thanks for your time. I can't ask for anything more than that. All right, this video is about 6 minutes. All right, so if you do want to go and watch Charles, go ahead and just watch it. Okay, and then get some information. Go ahead and fill out this info right above my little head here. Click that orange button. You'll get a nice email from the company. You'll get one from me. And you can opt out anytime. Just hit unsubscribe. So if this isn't for you, don't worry about it. But if it is for you, I need you to listen. Okay? Today is May 13th as I produce this video of 2025. You might be watching this video 1 to 2 months or 2 years or 200 years in my future. I'll look a lot different, I think, if I live another even 20 years, let alone 220. But if you're watching me now, you need to join now if you're going to be an affiliate. I need you to have a 17 head start on planet Earth. I want you to have a better chance, and I'm saying straight up, this is just my opinion. I can't promise anything with income and downlines and sidelines and matrix and whatever the hell they're called. But right now, the pre-launch is when you need to join and start building a team now, because your chances of finding someone across the street, signing people up maybe in your city, and those cities might know someone over in another state. And boy, that person over in another state might know someone in another country that knows people in a neighborhood that signs up a city. Okay? That's just how it is. He or she who signs up first in these type of opportunities, they usually go like this. Oh, hell yes. Oh, yeah. Was it good to sign up the first week or two of that opportunity, sir? Oh, hell yeah. Okay. And you can ask a lady too. It's always good to be first in a business like this as far as signing up if you're going to be an affiliate. If you just want to save, spend $20 on the membership side, that's awesome. Save money. Save 1, 2, $300 a month. Okay, by spending 20. It's just smart. Even millionaires will tell you that. They're millionaires because they save money. All right? Why piss it away and pay full price on stuff, especially if you don't have to? Just doesn't make sense. But if you're an affiliate, get 3 $20 bills out, get another 20, okay? Because we want you to go ahead and be a member. I want you to search all over, just see if there's deals out there. Okay, and you'll figure it out after you join. You know, I have videos and you'll see how to search for deals anywhere. But obviously it focuses a lot in America. But as each week, month, and year goes by, we're going to have hundreds of thousands, if not millions of deals anywhere, any place, anytime on planet Earth. Okay, we have Fortune 500, 100, and Fortune 50 companies. These are billion-dollar companies that have earned actually trillions. Okay, we have little tiny businesses, which are my favorite actually. I like small business. Here in Utah, I will try to go to a small business and do business with them, like a little pizza place. I don't need to go to a big one. Okay, I like small little businesses. I admire anyone that tries their best to open a business. Even if they fail, I've failed. I've failed many times with my own businesses, but not with this one. Okay, this one I think is just, I don't know if I want to call it a no-brainer, but I think it's a no-brainer. It don't even take more than 30 minutes to do your research and just look into this opportunity. People secretly are joining like crazy. Okay, the next 17 days, it's like, don't tell anybody unless it's friends or family or people that want to take this serious. Okay, and get you in before June 1st, where everybody on planet Earth eventually will hear about Save Club, and you're going to have thousands of people, if not millions, signing up all over planet Earth. But you know what? When there's only thousands of people joined, like right now as I'm sitting here telling you, and you know 9 out of 10, 90% of the people signing up aren't going to follow through. I'm just being brutally honest. So I don't care if there's 10,000 people signed up right now. I know in the next 1, 2, 3 months or 6 months, all right, I know 950 out of 1,000 people, they're just going to want to save money, and they won't really try to be an affiliate. When I think of being an affiliate, it's awesome. You pay $60. You have a website. You invite people to watch that video with Charles Moy. Done. Done. Please don't do anything else. Unless you're a guru and you have all this experience in that old noggin of yours, then go to it. But anyway, I keep things simple. I get a business card for $22. I get a domain from GoDaddy for $12.17. I forward it for free to this page that you're looking at right now. And I'm done, guys. Okay, and right now as I sit here looking, I love the number. I'm number 69. All right, I'm number 9 in the world right now. And I love it. It's really satisfying for me to have a lot of real nice people that I've met online, you know, that have done very well online. They make great money. They've made a lot of money. Nice people too, but it looks like I'm coming in at number 9 right now. And I'm pretty proud of that, okay? And as far as statistics, all I can do is just show you what I do every day. You know, messing off, basically making a video, posting it on Facebook. You know, I keep things fun. I don't try to be serious. We all have bad stories. I just like to do more fun, uplifting, okay? But you can see right here, today is May 13th, okay, on a Tuesday. And it looks like I've already had 75 little clicks just searching around my websites and stuff. But I've already had 2 people pre-enroll. And these were different than the 2 people that upgraded. Because I had 2 upgrades today, and this was still 0 right here. So it looks like over the last hour, someone has watched either one of my social media posts, maybe a little message I sent them, or maybe they saw one of my YouTube videos. But yeah, this is cool. A couple people signed up, and usually when it's this early on a weekday, I usually hit like 5, 6 people. You know, on the weekends, I slowed down a little bit, but still I had 4 people say, hey, what's up? Yesterday, it looks like I had someone. But yeah, it'd be nice if I can get another 3, 4 people, just move up the leaderboard and help people, you, if you sign up. I just help you try your best to find one thing that you're not embarrassed about doing, like posting on TikTok. It could be social media, could be a video. Maybe you don't mind doing a little video like what we're doing right now. I hope you do enjoy a video because it does give you an advantage. I'm just being brutally honest again. Okay. If you do video, people like to hear your voice, how you dress like, maybe tell a little bit of story about your past or where you've been or what you're doing. And if you're new, tell people. Just say, gosh, guys, I am new. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but I have a link. I want you to click it. Watch this guy named Charles and make a decision in or out on this Save Club thing. All right. And if you like what you see, then let's get you aboard. All right. Get 4 20s. 3 of those $20 bills are going to go to the company. So you have a badass website and a capture page, full support. Everything is turnkey mode. Okay. That other 20 you're going to spend because you want that 1-month membership to Save Club. You're going to get 3 pennies back. That's how cool it is. All right. Oh my God. You spend 20, you get 3 pennies back. So for $19.97, you're a member. Okay. You're in the mix. You got skin in the game. Okay. And that's where I need you to be. I really do, guys. I want you to succeed with this. Please, would you join now? Don't do a lot of research and kind of postpone. Every day, thousands of people worldwide are going to be signing up. All right. They're going to be filling up the matrix. All right. What's the Matrix? I don't know. It's a movie with Keanu Reeves. But anyway, I need you to sign up now, especially before June 1st of 2025. And if you sign up after, that's okay. We just have to have a different approach. And we're just going to go ahead and hit this just as hard as today, if not a month or 2 years down the road. Okay. Just invite people to a link, have them click it and watch that little movie. Okay, that's all I do, and it seems to work. Okay, guys. All right, ilovesaveclub.com. Please click that little thing. All right, boom. And if I can help you out, I sure will. I don't care if you sign up in my group or not. Okay, you might sign up underneath someone else in this business. So, all right, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, I'll love you long time. Give you a huggy and pinch your bum. And what is my email? Cory@corydraper.com. All right, I've had it for 500 years now. Cavemen used to try to call me, but phones weren't invented yet. But so they'd email me and they'd say a dinosaur is trying to eat them. And I'm like, ooh, ugh, it's a bad thing. Okay, I am now full of poop, like literally. And I'm going to go and probably use some baby wipes and quit telling stories about cavemen and dinosaurs. All right, love you. Gotta go, literally. Bye.